I'm not Doug.
I'm not Doug.
I'm not Doug.
Who the heck is Doug?
So what is Doug? Who is Doug? Doug is a way to rethink how we're taking care of our soil. We need to feed it. We need to protect it. We need to have as minimal harm as we possibly can. And we will get into all of these tips and tricks that we use in our own garden. But first, let's talk about how Doug even got started.
We originally moved out here to our family's farm that had never been farmed. It was more of a weekend getaway. We had never been ranchers. We were always kind of city kids. And we decided that, while we're here, we might as well start a garden. We didn't have any of the conventional tools, like any kind of rototillers or diskers or cultivators. We did the research and found no-till gardening, where you simply layer in different layers of organic matter and then plant your seeds directly into the top layer and then mulch it. No conventional fertilizer, no conventional herbicides. Let Mother Nature kind of do her thing. We knew where we were onto something when that fall we were watching our 2 young boys pull carrots out of the garden and just eat them right out of the garden, knowing that it was completely nutrient dense, never been sprayed, never been tilled, very biologically diverse soil, extremely healthy. It was right then and there that we knew that we had to share this with other people, help people grow their own food in healthy and regenerative ways. It's the lazy way of gardening, it's the easy way of gardening. Just let the soil do its thing, don't disturb it. And that's why Doug exists. Doug exists to help people grow.
After a great gardening season at our farm, we decided that we wanted to spread the message that we learned and the philosophy that we learned on how to take care of our soils. We created a garden kit delivery company. Think HelloFresh of gardens. And we brought our customers a cedar surround, the soil, the compost, the irrigation, and the mulch. And in 15 minutes, they had a garden kit. The packages were 450 pounds and we were delivering them ourselves. We also offered a soil health subscription, compost, soil, and mulch on an ongoing basis throughout the gardening season. People loved our amendment and loved our soil. And our soil was great because we added a few key ingredients that made it great. Ultimately, we decided to extract all of those ingredients that made it great, turn it into pellets so that we could share our message, our philosophy, and our product with a way farther reach.
Our living soil created a really diverse mixture of different ingredients. And when people started to really love how it grew their plants, we realized that it all came out of the diversity of all the different ingredients that were in it. So when we started to make pellets, we took a lot of those same regenerative ingredients, kelp meal, the biochar, the worm castings, the insect frass. All of these biologically active ingredients packed into a pellet restore soil function for all the different seasons. As the microbia break down the ingredients, they feed the plants at different times of the year. The really nice thing about pellets is that they're super easy to get into your garden. Anybody can do it. You can have your kids do it, you can have your parents do it. What pellet is right for me? Which of the 4 blends? Just think about what it is you're trying to do.
There is a lot of intuitiveness that comes from leading with soil health, leading with plant health, and using organic fertilizer. So root in the beginning of the growing season or transplanting. This includes seed or a plant that you're putting into the soil that's already growing. Green for foliage, so when your plant really starts to push out those green leaves. Bloom at the time of reproduction. All plants reproduce. Blooms for seed and flower and fruit. And renew at the end of the growing season or the dormant phase of the plant. Feeding the soil and the plant at the same time.
Our products work as a bundle. It works in unison. It works for the whole entire season.
We have worked the last 4 years developing our product, getting organic certification, and now it's time to let the world know that we even exist.
It's really time to get this out there and get people growing.